Need to connect your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 with the DJI Mimo app? It's super simple, and once paired, you can unlock more features and control your camera right from your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Pocket with the Mimo app. So let's get started. First, download the official DJI Mimo app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Then turn on your camera. After that, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on in your phone. Here you don't need to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi network manually yet. The DJI Mimo app will handle this. Then open up the DJI Mimo app. Then app will automatically scan for nearby DJI devices. It should quickly detect your Osmo Pocket 3. Once the Pocket 3 is detected, a pop-up will appear on your phone asking you to connect to the device. Tap connect. In this way, follow all the prompts to pair the DJI Mimo app with your DJI Osmo Pocket camera. And that's it. This is how you can pair your Pocket with the Mimo app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.